Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have come up with an interesting video of artificial generator video, which is AI. So today I will show you how we can create the 3D cartoon with just a simple prompt. Firstly, in Google search for Leonardo.ai. Then click on this. I have shared the link to this site in the description, you can check it out there. Then click on Get It Started. Once the page opens, log in manually or just sign directly with this Google icon. If you have an account already, it will redirect you without any entries to be added. If not, it will ask you to enter the mail and password. Just follow those steps. Once you log in, interface will be like this. Here, click on this image creation. Now let's take a look at the free account and upgrade account. I am using the free account, so this is what I get. Currently, I have 20 tokens out of 150. If you look here for a free account, you will get 150 tokens per day. Look at the other benefits as well. Hope 150 tokens is enough to generate. In the paid version also, you will get more benefits and quality as well. If you want, you can go with your choice. Anyway, let me clarify, I'm not promoting this site. Anyway, let's jump to our topic. I have copied this prompt using ChatGPT. Anyway, you know that, so I'm not going into depth on that. I have shared this prompt in the description. You can copy and paste it. Once you enter the prompt, click on this generate icon. When you generate it, deducts 24 tokens out of your 150 tokens. Anyway, I don't have sufficient tokens, so I'm not generating. Already, I have AI-generated images with one of those. I will show you how to do it. Once you click on this generate, it creates some images like this. I will go with this generated image. Click on this download icon. Once it downloads, go to vidu.studio. For this as well, I have shared the link in the description, you can check out there. Here I have created some samples. I will show you how to do that. First, let me come out of this page by just clicking on this icon. This is how your page looks when you enter into the page. Just type the vidu.studio, that's it. First, let me log this. Here you can see try vidu, click on this. Log in or sign up with a Google account. Before going further, let me tell you how many credits you will get here. In this, you will get 80 credits monthly renewal, so please don't waste credits unnecessarily just by clicking multiple times on the same. You can utilize it to create something else. Let's exit from here. Here you can see that you can create it through image to videos, reference to video, and text to video. Here I will show you how to create it through the image to video. Just simply drag and drop your downloaded image here. You can provide the details as per your action. I'm not adding here anything, I just clicked on this to create it. Here it deducts 4 credits to create the video. It takes some time to create, so please wait for it to create. Yes, let's check it. Looking awesome, right? If you're not satisfied with this result, you can re-edit it and you can provide the action in the description. What I do here, I just copy and paste the prompt that I have used to generate the image. For every creation, it deducts 4 credits. If you feel its quality is low, just to upscale, for high quality, click on it. This also takes 4 credits. Just confirm it by clicking on it if you want to create it again. Once it is done, download it. That's it. Hope you loved this video on the AI tool. Then please give a like to this video. For more interesting videos, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and please do not forget to hit the bell icon to notify you of my new videos. Thank you for watching the video.